Thank you all for attending the talk today. My name is Yuhong Liu. I'm currently an associate professor at Santa Clara University. I'm also serving as a technical consultant of the Thinkium Foundation. So today, we'd like to briefly go through some key technical innovations of Thinkium, which is a public blockchain infrastructure that aims to facilitate the internet-level large-scale applications and bridge the physical and digital world to launch the era of Web 3.0. So in particular, we'd like to highlight mainly 9 innovations today. The first innovation is the unique design of a multi-layer, multi-chain structure, which can theoretically achieve unlimited scalability through the separation of the subchains from the main chain, the inheritance of child chains from their parent chains, intra-chain sharding, and cross-chain communications. The second innovation is the Apla Tree, which is a flat tree structure that enables unlimited logical layers through the implementation of only 2 different types of chains. One is a subchain, the other is a main chain. So logically, both the main chain and the subchains can serve as a parent chain to create arbitrary number of child chains and share their related businesses. While physically, both the child chain and the parent chains can be implemented as independent chains, with their relationship only recorded and maintained on the main chain, which makes management very easy. Then the next innovation is the 4-layer stack architecture, where each specific layer can focus only on its own logic tasks and the corresponding consensus mechanism. So such design makes it very easy and flexible for the future system extensions and upgrade. The fourth innovation is the ActorBased Parallel processing model, which enables high throughputs, high complex transaction processing. In particular, the ActorBased model allows asynchronous messages for the execution of complex logics and avoids the low efficiencies caused by different locking mechanisms in the conventional parallel models. Then the fifth innovation is that Thinkium also supports the dalcoin ecosystem. In particular, Thinkium supports the subchains to develop their own coins, and therefore the corresponding independent ecosystems. And number 6, Thinkium also supports that the early stage small businesses can develop their own low-cost independent single chains, which can be customized for their own business scenarios. Then once mature, those independent single chains can also be smoothly linked back to the Thinkium system through some supported interfaces. Then number 7, Thinkium can effectively balance the trade-off between the business confidentiality and the open business flow. In particular, the design of Thinkium makes it compatible with both permissionless blockchains and permission-based blockchains, so that those sensitive businesses can be deployed only on those more trustworthy permission-based blockchains, while the other open businesses can be deployed on those permissionless blockchains to enable more large-scale transactions. Then the next innovation is that Thinkium also can effectively balance the trade-off between the system efficiency and stability by integrating both the structural and non-structural peer-to-peer networks. Then last but not least, a fair community environment can also be established through the themis network, which is a management mechanism to enable votes from all users. In particular, those proposals can be submitted as executable transactions, which is then verified not through signatures, but through the validation of the public votes. And for users, they can also participate in the management process through multiple different formats. For example, through the foundations, the committees, DSO, DAO, or just through their regular user accounts. So those are the 9 key innovations we want to highlight today. Thank you all.